So here is the free gift. Here is the free gift. Here is a free gift. It's been a wonderful experience taking you through this course on this video on how to create, manage, and host your domain name on Google Host by yourself. Yeah, that's interesting. And my name still remains Oluyemide Onolapo, and I've been your trainer to this course. And I want to show you the free gifts that we have for you. 100% free. Enjoy our 100% free website development package. If you have successfully purchased your domain name and hosting on Google Host using our referral link, then the only thing right now is that your website is empty. Your website is empty and you need to build it, which is where we come in, and we will help you build it 100% free. We will help you build your website 100% free. Yes, you don't have to pay a dime unless you are just donating. You are donating something to put body and soul together. You know now, body no be firewood. So if you are donating something, then that's all you have to pay. Or if you're adding some extra feature that this free gift cannot cover, so we'll add some little change, little adjustment in price. That is all. So apart from that, it's 100% free. Visit the link here. There's a Google form. Go online, fill it up. It might take a little time, so be relaxed. Be relaxed because you are building the website, and we don't want to be contacting you for detail every time, so that we can build it faster. So be relaxed and fill the form. Get a bowl of chin or a bowl of popcorn and a cold zobo. Relax and start filling the form. The link is in the description of this video. The form is quite easy to fill. Just enjoy. So, and please register on Google Host. Pay for both domain name and hosting before you fill this form. If you don't have your domain name and if you don't have a hosting plan, don't go ahead and fill this form. Please just go ahead and buy a domain name and hosting before you fill this form. Register on Google Host using our referral link. The referral link is on this video. Remember to drop your questions and reactions in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Free Website Dev for more videos, and also follow us on Instagram at Free Website Dev. Forward all your mails to freewebsite18@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. My name still remains Oluyemide Onolapo, and I want to say thank you. It's been wonderful and pleasing that I am your trainer on this course. Do have a wonderful experience buying, hosting, and managing your domain name yourself on Google Host. My name is Oluyemide Onolapo. Yeah. This video is proudly sponsored by Free Website Dev. Behind the camera is B Babs Pixel, and I, the trainer, still remains Oluyemide Onolapo.